Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the console and tools so nothing surprises you. Power down the Nintendo Switch and detach any cables. This prevents drift and accidental inputs. Once done, lay a soft cloth on a flat surface and place the console face down so the rail is accessible. Make sure you have the replacement controller, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a container for screws because tiny parts are easy to lose. Doing this reduces risk and speeds the swap. You now remove the old controller carefully, focusing on connectors. First, if it's a Joy-Con, press the release and slide it off. If it's a Pro controller, remove the back screws and pry the shell gently. Once open, locate and unplug the battery and any ribbon cables, noting their orientation so you can reconnect them later. Take pictures if needed. After disconnecting, clear dust with a soft brush. This prevents damage and keeps polarity and alignment correct for the new unit. You finish by installing the replacement controller and verifying operation. Reconnect the battery and ribbon cables exactly as they were, then align and close the shell, tightening screws evenly to avoid warping. Power on the switch and pair the new controller through settings, right arrow controllers, and sensors so inputs register. Make sure analog sticks and buttons respond in the calibration menu. If things go wrong, try holding the controller's sync button to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.